Hey Padme, do you want to go get some lunch?
Sure, Anakin, let's go to Arby's.
Alright, the coast is clear. Now to create a fake emergency alert broadcast.
Attention all residents of Nintendo Sega Capcom Namco City, we are here to notify you that a group of gunmen, abducting 10 of Toads in the Mushroom Kingdom. Please stay in your homes, lock your doors, close all curtains, turn off the lights, and hide an unusual place because the gunmen are now breaking into people's homes and killing them. This is a very concerning situation, so people please take this very seriously. Oh no, the gunmen have reported to have killed approximately 1,005 people. Please hide. Oh no.
They're in the office. No.
Ha 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 ha. Oh no, it's Anakin and Padme.
Hey, kid, what are you doing here? Can't you see the city is in a panic right now?
Wait a minute. No one but you was in the room while the emergency alert system was going on. Was it you? Spit it out, Blaster Bro. Spit it out. I broke into your office while you were going out to lunch and pressed the emergency alerts button. It was supposed to be a prank. Blaster Bro, I can't believe you did that. That's it. We will put you on the news and call your parents and then you will be grounded. No 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 no. Hello, Miss News Reporter. Yeah, please send the news crew up here. Yeah, the 5th floor. Okay, thanks. Bye.
I'm here at the Nintendo Sega Capcom Namco City News Headquarters recording station, where Blaster Bro created a fake emergency broadcast. Yes, an alert when a toad abduction was taken. We will now go live with the two bosses, Anakin and Padme.
Well, we were going to Arby's and were watching the TVs in the TV store, and when all of a sudden, the alert went off, and we ran so fast to the station.
And we miss going to Arby's. I was going to order onion rings, and Padme was going to order Greek gyro, and now we can't go Grogu.
And now we go to the guy who created this fake emergency broadcast, Blaster Bro.
I'm sorry everyone for making this fake emergency broadcast to my mom and dad. Please don't ground me.
To the parents of Blaster Bro, you'll be paying $650,000 to Nintendo Sega Capcom Namco's radio station for falsely reporting an emergency and breaking into our office.
We're going right now.
Blaster Bro, we can't believe you made a fake report. That's it. You were grounded for 99,000 days.
Go to your room right now.
The